Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Keys TV. My name is Nikita, but you guys can call me Key. It is cool with me. So as you guys can see from the title, today I have a cleaning video for you guys. I couldn't find what I was looking for this morning, so I figured let me just go ahead and make a cleaning video because why not? My room is so dirty right now and it needs to be cleaned like yesterday. I'm gonna show y'all my room. And please don't judge me because we all have them days when our room just gets a little out of hand and it needs to be clean. I'm gonna show y'all my room and then we're just gonna go ahead and get to it. There's my beautiful daughter, Ariana.
Hi guys.
She wants to be like me so much. She has a bun in her hair and everything. Ooh, what you working on? Oh, she made me. Ooh, you made your mama thick, girl. Ah! Wait a minute. Do y'all see? She really, and I am thick like that. I'm standing like the little picture. Let me see that again. Run that back, my mama. Girl. Look at that. Oh my gosh. She got, ooh, she a baddie. Ooh. That's what you was over there doing. No wonder you was being sneaky. Didn't want your mama to see what you was doing. Okay, girl. But anyways, this is my 9 little thingy, I think it's called a 9 cube organizer. Anyways, right now it hasn't been very helpful in keeping me organized. As y'all can see over here, we have my other dresser and this one is not as bad. Look at this, y'all. Look at this. The whole thing is messed up. This is my little letter board, or they call it a light board or whatever, but we ain't even gonna talk about it because it needs Jesus. That's what that needs. It works. Is the letters is all discombobulated and I don't even know what the rest of the letters is. But as y'all can see on my dresser, like this is what's going on right now. This area, a little messy, not too bad on the floor. So I'm gonna take a step back and I want y'all to view this bed. First and foremost, look at all these bags on my bed. Like I have Dollar Tree bags and Target bags, a lot of Dollar Tree, literally Dollar Tree, Target, and Walmart. Like just so many shopping bags on the bed, tons of pillows, tons of blankets. It's unorganized. That's just not what it do. So we have to get this together ASAP. And then right here in this corner, ooh, I don't know which corner is worse, this or this. Over here, as y'all can see, I got all these boxes, bags over here. Just, it looks a hot mess. My shoe organizer is missing some shoes down there. Like it's crumbs and whatnot going on. Like, girl, we're not even gonna talk about that. And then right here on the wall, this is really not bad, but we're just gonna talk about it real quick since we're over here. So if any of y'all have been here for a while, you know that I shared a room with my son, who is now 5, but when I first moved over here where we are, he was just like 6 or 8 months. Anyways, when he shared a room with me, this was his diaper organizer. And then I did a video kicking him out and I set up his bed and his toy stuff in his room. And I left this here only because it was kind of helpful to keep some things organized. But right now it's not being very helpful with that. So I might have to take this down. Right here I have a pile of dirty clothes. Don't worry about it. I'm gonna open up the closet real quick, but this isn't gonna get cleaned today. So I'm not gonna worry about this either, but I just actually cleaned this, I think last month. We're not gonna organize that today. We're just gonna focus on the room, and I hope that I can even get this room cleaned up at all because it's a lot. It's a lot. I need y'all to give this video a thumbs up. Also subscribe to the channel if you aren't already, and make sure your bell notifications is turned on so you will be notified when I post my next video. This right here I wanted to show you guys was my, I think this is the router or the modem. I don't remember which one it is. So yeah, I gotta actually turn this back into the cable place. When I talked to the cable company, they said to turn it into UPS. They said they'll ship it back for me or whatever. So that's what this is. I just left it on my bed, and literally this is the way I was sleeping in the bed, with all of these bags and this on there. The other one is not unhooked from my TV yet, but yeah, I gotta take this back, but we're making a little progress. I just want to show y'all what's in these bags so y'all don't think that it's just like trash or something. And then if y'all can tell from the supplies in this video, then you'll know what I'm going to be doing in another video. So yeah, that's all you're going to see. This was my Christmas, what is this, what you call, little headband thing. Ariana wore it, and we didn't even know that the eye was missing from the snowman. This one got the 2 eyes, and this one is missing the eye. And then in this Amazon bag, little sneak peek, there's some stuff in here again for another video that I will be doing after this. It was Samaj's birthday the other day, and this is his LeapPad Academy. It's basically like a tablet, and it helps prepare kids for school. He can read and play math games and stuff like that. I got all these pillows and things that I'm about to remove. And then, cause this black blanket is actually not supposed to be in my bed, y'all just gonna see, I covered my bed with this blanket just because I didn't want my actual blanket getting messed up, because my kids have a habit of leaning on my bed and coming in my room and doing things in that nature.
Don't record me.
They have a habit of leaning on my bed and everything, so I keep my bed covered with this black blanket. But I'm gonna take this blanket off so y'all can see my actual blanket, which I did a video. Actually, this blanket that I'm about to show y'all, y'all haven't even seen since the last video. So yeah, let me go ahead and reveal that to y'all. This is my Paris bed comforter set, which is a queen size bed. I had recently got that pink pillow just to kind of go with it and to lay with it, because sometimes my back be hurting. But anyways, this is what my bed's supposed to look like. Okay, so as far as all of the blankets that was on my bed, I'm gonna go ahead and take those downstairs and throw them in the washer. Then I'll be folding those up and putting them in my closet. That is a big old pillow that I normally use when I'm sitting up in my bed just to support my back. I'm gonna put that in the closet as well. I'm gonna wash my robe and stuff and hang it back up. All of this other stuff on the floor, I'm gonna try to get it cleaned up so I can sweep my floor. That was some water that spilled earlier today. So as y'all already seen, I got this area swept up, and then I had some clothes and some trash underneath my shoe stand, but I just cleaned that up. And then with these boxes, I was putting my candles back inside the boxes that they came in, and I straightened this area up and got the meal straightened up. I just got to put my shoes back on the rack and get it all organized. So right now I'm about to get my clothes out of this trash pile and clean up this trash. feel like I made some major progress with cleaning my room. I haven't really got to this dresser just yet, but I will get to it in a second. I did sweep the floor. I just put this stuff right here. I found this stuff underneath my bed and some of the kids' chargers. So I got the fan right there because I had to sweep this pile. It looks like it's really high, but it's not. I have to wash this stuff. That blanket, well, both of those blankets were over there by the shoe stand, but I moved them over here. I'm gonna wash that stuff as soon as my other blankets get done. I swept the stuff off the floor. It looks weird because 2 bottles of water spilled. This stuff, like I said, I have to take back to the cable company. And yeah, I have to still fix this stuff on the shelf, so don't mind that. But really quick, with my light box, I don't really light this up, but I know it still works. So I straightened the letters on it. Right now it says subscribe, it's Keys with a Z TV. I don't know where the T and the O went, but this is what it's looking like. I need to find it because I do miss having this lit up throughout the day. I'm gonna try to straighten this dresser really quick and then straighten some of the stuff over there, and then I think I might be done. Alright you guys, so I am all done with cleaning my room. It's better than it was. It could be better, but I'm tired now. So I'm done. I'm going to show you guys what the room looks like. I don't even know when I started, but the time is currently 1:10 in the afternoon. I don't even know when I started, so I won't even be able to tell y'all that. I'm end up letting y'all go as soon as I'm done with this. So all right, here we go. With this pile, I folded up the blankets and folded up my clothes on top. It is dirty, so I will be washing this just as soon as I'm done with this video. But it looks a lot more cleaner now that it's folded and swept around the area. I got all the other trash from this area. I put a new trash bag in my trash. I straightened up this stuff. I put the fan over here by the door. I straightened all of this stuff up, which it didn't really have much to straighten, just some extra papers and some bottles. I went ahead and straightened it and removed things that did not need to be up here. But this is what it would normally look like. So even though it's still a lot of stuff, this is the way it normally looks. Take a step back so y'all can see. So my bed, you guys already pretty much seen the bed, but this is how my bed normally looks. Sometimes I have the big pink pillow on top of all of the pillows. Those other 2 pillows is what I sleep with at night. I do not sleep with those at all. I straightened this stuff and I straightened the papers that was on here. Don't really have nowhere to put them, but they did get straightened. I didn't even touch this at all, so don't even worry about that. But I did straighten the papers a little bit better than what they were. And then I fixed my shoes and added them back to the shoe stand. And these are all plastic bottles in this bag as far as Ariana recycling, so that's why that's there. But I am going to remove it. I had a lot of bags of trash on the door, but I removed those already. And then over here, I forgot to put this crock up before I started the video, but I have a basket with my Crocs in it and slippers. I got these Crocs in here. I love these tie-dye, even though I don't really wear them. I do love them. There's the other purple Croc. That was my first pair of Crocs that I got. I have my white ones right here. Black pair of Crocs right there. It says Key, but the letters are all twisted up right now. K-E-Y. So yeah, it says Key on those with a camera because I record for YouTube. I need another basket or something because these really don't fit anymore in this basket, but I'm gonna make them fit. I'm gonna actually put those on a shoe thing and these in here. I love that my bed is this high because I can store a lot of things underneath it. That is the room. A little bit more organized and cleaned up than it was earlier. Alright, you guys, that is going to be it for this video. I scraped my finger across the floor earlier and it burns. Kind of scraped a little bit of the skin off. I don't know if you guys like these type of videos or not, but if you do, like I mentioned in my previous video, you have to let me know by giving the video a thumbs up or leaving a comment down below. Whenever you guys are able to leave a comment, I do understand that sometimes the comments may be off and you are not able to leave a comment. Give the video a thumbs up. That lets YouTube know that you guys like the video and that you're interested in seeing videos that I post, and then they share it around the globe with others, and that is very helpful. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel and have your bell notifications turned on so you guys don't miss when I post my next video. I do appreciate you guys for watching. Give it a big thumbs up. Share it with anyone and everyone you know, your friends, your family. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Bye.
Bye, guys.